I want to quickly talk to you about Atlantic.net. So the big question is this a website hosting platform really worth it? When it comes to hosting, not just the website, they also have web hosting, they have VPS. So they have all kinds of hosting, but the question is, can they really add value to your operation? So here's a presentation I want you to pay attention to. So when you think about Atlantic.net, I want you to think about a tool, a platform, if you will, that's great for large businesses and also like enterprises, or if you have a large project going on, you might want to think about Atlantic.net. So the prices are decent, the resources are vast, and you are very free to configure your server as you see fit. So we love this flexibility there, and Atlantic.net also delivers excellent performance. So they've been around for quite a while now. I mean, you don't hear about them all the time, but they've been doing a lot of they've been providing services around, let's say, web hosting, VPS hosting, WordPress hosting for a while now, and they are known mainly because when it comes to HIPAA compliant hosting services, they've done actually a great job. They are adding value in multiple capacities, so this is really good. And one thing I want to say here is that what we love about let's say Atlantic.net is that they're constantly sort of checking their services, and they're constantly adding value. Okay, so you're looking at pricing wise. I will talk about the pricing later on, but you are looking at $4 and up. So you have, in terms of hosting types, you have cloud, VPS, and dedicated hosting. In terms of server locations, they have US servers, they have UK servers, Canada, and Singapore. So let me give you the pros and cons real fast here. So when you think about Atlantic.net, you have entry-level VPS cloud plans that are really affordable. You have a platform that's easy to use for seasoned users, excellent performance with no downtime and fast loading speeds, and you have HIPAA compliant, which makes it incredibly secure. What about the cons here? The dedicated servers are expensive. Beginners actually may find it challenging to use, so the UX and UI are not really where they should have been. So they're still working on them. So you're talking about a platform that has flexible hosting capabilities for small businesses. So this is really good. So you are able to scale real fast. So we love that a lot. By the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. In terms of pricing, I want you to look right now on the screen here. So basically, what happens here is that they do not actually share their pricing. So that lack of transparency is a bummer in our view. But you can look here that they have different hosting capacities, if you will, and based on that, they will charge you. So you have the cloud platform, you have dedicated host, you have a VPS hosting. So it's one of those things where Atlantic.net wants you to contact them for you to have for them to have more information about you before actually, giving you let's say a bespoke plan. But they actually provides cloud VPS with the cheapest plan, retailing just for like $4 to $7 per month. And the resources start at 2 GB of RAM, 1 vCPU, 50 GB of SSD storage, and 3 TB transfer. And so apart from the resources that I mentioned earlier, Atlantic.net offers a plenty in terms of easy scalability, daily backup. Additional charges may apply if you want even faster. You have RAID 10 VPS storage for proper functioning, even when components do not behave properly. You have one IPv4 address. You can buy more if you want to. You have guaranteed CPU cycles, cPanel, and WHM. And you also have a VPS hosting snapshots. So this is really fantastic. So when you think about the best value, you have to think about you want to go for 3 years. Okay, so to snatch the best prices, opt for the 36-month billing cycle. If you're looking to run a smaller site or a simplistic project, the G31B gigabytes plan that retails for $4 to $6 per month. It will be really more than enough. And all plans are available for both Linux and Windows. However, the latter is pricier, so the Windows plans are a lot more expensive. So bottom line is that Atlantic.net offers quite a lot in terms of resources. Not a lot of providers can give you up to 192 to 256 RAM or 3840 gigabyte of SSD storage for that matter. And cloud VPS can be affordable, but dedicated servers cost quite a bit. And so even so, this provider actually has the necessary infrastructure to take your project to the next level. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about Atlantic.net. The question is their web hosting really worth it? I want to talk to you real quick about the value added. So let's first talk about hosting management. Is it really easy to use in terms of, so in other words, is Atlantic.net adding value in terms of hosting management? So their ease of use, it depends on whether you go for unmanaged or managed services. So right from the get-go, Atlantic.net gives you a full root access to the server so that you configure it however you like. Even so, it's not complicated for a seasoned user. So this is really good. In terms of management, the control panel is one of the key areas that really makes a big difference. And Atlantic.net is not so hard to navigate. You have, for instance, you have several categories for servers, snapshots, block storage, DNS, IPs, and of course, account info on the left side menu. From there, you can access everything you need to manage your servers. And if you want, let's say if you want to add a new server, the process is pretty straightforward. In the main control panel, you want to click on the button that says Add Server, give it a name, choose the operating system, and pick a data center so that the server is closest to your target audience. And that's it, pretty straightforward. And if you want to reboot your server for, let's say, for maintenance purposes, you can do so from your control panel. You can even choose between a soft and a hard reboot. And this is really cool. And so you also have server backups. And so this is really cool. Also, this is where Atlantic.net is really adding a lot of value. Let's say when you add a server from your control panel, you have to enable daily backups. You'll get like a window that really tells you what to do. And this is kind of cool. So overall, fantastic. So when you think about Atlantic.net, I want you to think about a service that is constantly adding new capabilities. Now, this will cost you a little bit though. Like if you were to go with extra capabilities, you might want to opt for service management. So that will cost you, and you have to contact this provider's sales department to inquire about the prices. So all in all, like if you think about Atlantic.net, I want you to think about VPS hosting. Okay, and so the platform is very easy to use. The platform adds a lot of value when it comes to, let's say, operational efficiency. Besides, there are enough resources, both on Google and within the provider's knowledge base, that will tell you what's really happening. So fantastic. I want to talk to you about speed. Okay, as you can see on the screen here, you can see that they have server locations primarily in Europe and the United States. So North America. So they have a big presence in the U.S. They have one in Canada and also in Europe, in the Netherlands, and also in the UK. This is really good. In Asia, they have one server location in Singapore. This is kind of cool. And now for the Singapore and the Amsterdam one, those are upcoming. They probably will set them up within 2 to 3 months. And so this is important. When we talk about performance, you need to understand one of the most important aspects when deciding which provider to use is performance. In this department, Atlantic.net did not disappoint. And so the platform, when we tested it, it came with a 100% uptime guarantee. And that's exactly what it provides. Plus the average response time is 452 milliseconds. This is really fantastic. So this is kind of cool. And one thing I want to say here is that apart from excellent results, Atlantic.net has multiple data centers, 7, as you probably saw on the screen, okay? And it's one of those things where they are constantly sort of adding other capabilities. It's really fantastic. So they have 7, they are currently there, and 2, they are coming soon. And you have 5 in the US, 1 in the UK, and the last one in Canada, okay? And it's one of those things where you have to see what really works for you and decide what really what's really happening, okay? So the bottom line here is that when it comes to performance, Atlantic.net did not disappoint at all. The uptime was 100% as promised. The response time was slow. And the fact that you can choose a data center ensures that your target audience will always enjoy fast loading pages. It's one of those things again where you have to really adapt that to your operational capability. In other words, if you're a small business, you're a large business, or you're somewhere in between, you want your server responses, or let's say your server needs, to be in sync with what your target audience is looking for. And also, please do not forget that we're talking here about safety as well. Okay, especially if you are in a field, let's say you are in a sector that puts a big emphasis on safety and data privacy. You want a provider that really helps you abide by regulatory standards. Fantastic. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about Atlantic.net. Is this web hosting platform really worth it? So we're talking about ease of use. We're spoken about speed. Now I want to talk to you about security. Is Atlantic.net secure? Let's have a conversation about that. So Atlantic.net is a HIPAA compliant hosting provider. So that says a lot if you think about it. Other than that, Atlantic.net offers SSL certificates, backups, DDoS protection, firewalls, malware scanning, and so on. And obviously, as you can see, this provider takes security seriously. So the fact that you get SSL certificates is really nothing out of the ordinary. Even a cheap shared hosting provider gives you that. Think Hostinger, think or like if you think about Hostinger, or even like in this case Bluehost, for instance. Now, however, not many providers are HIPAA compliant. So Atlantic.net, and it's one of those players, and it's ready to provide you your sensitive information with everything it has. So other than the SSL certificates and the HIPAA compliant features, Atlantic.net provides the following. So you have a fully managed firewalls, you have HIPAA intrusion prevention system, and you have backups all the time. Let's really dig a little deeper here. So when we talk about fully managed firewalls, basically Atlantic.net's firewall tracks and stores historical network activity. As a result, all servers are monitored, and the gathered data is reported back for improved network performance and health. So this is kind of cool. You also have a HIPAA intrusion prevention system. This is basically a database of malware and other potential dangers, and is constantly revised that way. Atlantic.net's security infrastructure can be customized, if you will, depending on your specific needs. In addition to that, all threats are monitored in real time. And you have backups. And so it's really important. Backups is kind of cool because what's really the point of having a secure provider if you cannot restore your data when necessary? So Atlantic.net has a solution here. All plans come with daily backups, and you can even purchase more space for even more data backups. So overall, Atlantic.net is among the few HIPAA compliant hosting providers, which makes it incredibly safe in our view. And so no worries in this department whatsoever. What about customer support? Let's talk about that. Can they really help you if you ever have a problem? Can their customer support really help you? Well, it really depends on the complexity of the matter, though. But long story short, yes, they can actually help you. Atlantic.net offers two support channels, email and phone. Both of them are available 24/7, and there is a phone number for international calls as well. Moreover, the provider offers access to an extensive knowledge base via a blog and a tutorial page. So this is kind of cool. Right now they don't have live chat. So if you prefer live chat, you're not gonna get that through Atlantic.net. And so the bottom line here is that even if you don't have a lot of experience in using a cloud platform, Atlantic.net gives you the know-how about pretty much everything. Okay, so this is really cool. So when you email them, they get back to you within 24 hours. In some cases, within 12 hours, you get a response to your inquiry. And so you are able, in some cases, they might even, if they're if they don't have a huge, a very busy time, they might get back to you within 10 minutes. It's totally possible. We have seen it. So yes, Atlantic.net support will help you when necessary. And they have multiple support channels, an extensive knowledge base. And it's one of those things where you have to be clear as to what you want. They even have a forum. So they have a forum like a user forum where you can actually you can really get expertise from other players, other users, other customers. If there is a question that, for instance, Aligning.net, their customer service is really slow to get back to you, you can ask the question to the forum, and somebody will get back to you as soon as possible. So we've always found that this solution wonderful, especially when it comes to when you have a complex problem that needs a faster resolution. So what is our opinion here? Is Atlantic.net worth it? The answer is yes. Is Atlantic.net safe? The answer is yes, definitely. Is Atlantic.net really worth your investment? Well, it really depends. As you can probably tell by now, Atlantic.net is really a great hosting platform. So you think about the ideal cloud hosting provider. So they provide a good case for you to turn to them when you're looking for a cloud VPS hosting provider, as they're zoning on some really important features for a great price. If you want the best in support and usability, then Atlantic.net should be a port of call for you, especially if you pursue strings that are tight and they offer a low, like if you are pursuing let's say a tight budgetary approach, this is kind of cool also. And so you have in terms of ease of use, fantastic. Performance, fantastic. Security is even better. And the support is also great, okay? And let me give you a few alternatives here. If you think that Aligning.net is not the provider for you, you may want to consider a few alternatives. Hostinger is one. Its VPS plans starts at $5 to $625 a month. Liquid Web is another option, and the process here starts at $15 a month. Okay, so Hostinger, if you could, as you can probably think about, is actually a cheap alternative to Atlantic.net, and they offer a lot of resources. You're speaking about 1 to 8 CPU cores, 1 to 16 gigabyte RAM, 20 to 250 SSD storage, and 1 to 12 terabyte bandwidth. So you do have capabilities there. And Hostinger's cloud hosting prices starts at about 8 to 9, whereas Hostinger is really charging you somewhere from 5 to 7. So long story short, Align.net is legit. It is a provider offering cloud VPS and dedicated hosting for large businesses and enterprises. Of course, they reach out to small business also, not a problem. And this is really good. So they have servers located in the US, as you probably saw on the map a little earlier. They have servers in the US, 5 locations to be more specific. They have 1 location in Canada and 1 in the UK. And they have 2 upcoming ones. So they have 1 in Singapore and 1 in Amsterdam. So you have the capability there. Atlantic.net is not free. It's the cloud VPS starts at about $4 to $5 per month for a 3-year subscription. And its dedicated servers start at about $250 to $175. However, you can choose to pay as you go if you don't have a large budget to actually begin with. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. Let's quickly recap to this conversation. So I was talking to you about Atlantic.net. So is whether or not this web hosting platform was worth it. So basically, I give you a presentation, the cost, the value added, our opinion, and now the recap. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.